talk a little bit about student life here at Full Stack. It's pretty hectic a lot of the time. So students really like to decompress. One of their favorite ways of doing that is by playing games. So we have regular board game nights, and the favorite on campus here is Avalon, which is a hidden role game, and that allows students here on campus to bond with each other by accusing each other of being evil liars. So a lot of fun. But this next group was so passionate about the game, they decided to make a version they could play on their mobile phones. And at first I thought maybe they were just trying to get out of capstone projects and just wanted to play the game the whole time and say that they were researching. But when I saw the final product, it was really clear that a lot of work into this, a lot of work went into this, and they really put something nice together that I think other people are going to enjoy using. So take it away, Avalon Line.
Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Han, and these are my partners, Gisha Azin and Yimin Wang. And together we built Avalon Line. Avalon Line is a mobile web application that allows its users to play the indie board game Avalon. In short, Avalon is a game of deception and deduction, where good and evil vie over the results of important quests. Players are chosen to be sent on quests, which then they could either choose to secretly succeed or sabotage. But here's a twist. The good players don't know who the evil players are, whereas the evil players do. So it ends up being a race for those who are good to figure out who are the bad people so that they could figure out who to put on the quest so that no quest can be sabotaged. And the important and unique aspects of our game is that we incorporated the web browser along with mobile devices. We use this because we felt like it facilitated an innovative gameplay experience. Users receive information on their phones that should be kept hidden from all other players. And furthermore, users can input game actions through their phones, which in turn renders results on the browser's game board. To go more in depth on the game architecture, here's Gisha.
Thank you, Jacob. For our application, we decided to use Express for our server, React for our front-end framework, and Firebase for our state management and data storage. We decided to use Firebase as our state manager because of its real-time socket nature. Many users are connected to one lobby, and information needs to be shared and synced up between those users and the lobby itself. Firebase allows us to easily and efficiently manage the state of our application in a controlled manner between different instances of the game in different browsers. So, to connect Firebase to the front end, we use a library that automatically updates our Redux store with the state from Firebase. This allows us to directly connect our components with the state without worrying about event handling. So, if the state in Firebase changes, for example, by a user action, our components that utilize the information will automatically re-render to reflect the state from Firebase. This versatile structure benefits us in modularizing our components. For breaking our app a little more, here's Yemen.
Thank you, Gisha. Our focus throughout the project was to write clean, modular, and maintainable code. We took a functional approach and prioritized test-driven development. Our application is split up into three main parts: a browser section, a mobile section, and a library of utility functions. The browser reads data from Firebase and renders the game board to accurately reflect the game state, while only on the mobile side are users able to perform actions to change the state of the game. Since each component is isolated and independent from the rest, this facilitates very thorough testing, which you'll see a little bit of soon. Now, I want to talk to you guys about a very cool feature that we implemented. We wanted players to be able to upload pictures of themselves to make it easy for everyone to know who's who. So how this works, the player uploads a picture from their phone. That picture is sent to Firebase storage, which sends us back a URL with which to access the photo. The photo is then associated with the player, and that allows the game board on the browser side to render an image using that URL. We ran into an issue. Phones save images in landscape mode and store the orientation on the metadata, but Firebase only stores the image, not the metadata. So what we had to do was, when the image is first uploaded, parse the metadata to get the orientation and save that along with the URL to the player. And then on the browser side, we used a library to rotate the image to its correct orientation, and voila, we have a functional selfie-taking feature. A lot of hard work went into this project, and we are very proud of it. Come play it at avalonline.herokuapp.com. Thank you.
Have everyone playing it?
Yeah, between that and Smashbots, it's been really hard to get people to work on their presentations this last week. But they're both a lot of fun.
I don't see it a lot, but I love that they included their passing tests in their presentation. I think that's it's a great thing that we should encourage more teams to do, because now I know that it's actually working. It's cool.
Definitely, yeah. They put a lot of groundwork in at the beginning with test-driven development, and it really turned into a great use.
And again, there's another Firebase to Redux pattern. I think it's definitely something that we're seeing more of and keep an eye on.
Yeah, absolutely.